how to change text color in Google Slides. If you want to change text color in Google Slides, it is very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply first of all open your browser, go to slides.google.com where your presentation is. Here you can see I've used different colors for different text over here, and it is quite simple to do that actually. All you have to do is select that text. Now, if you want only a certain percent of that text to change the color or the whole text, so depending upon whatever it is, you can select the whole text. At the top, you can see a letter where it says text color, right? So you can just click on it, and here you can simply choose the color of the text that you want. So you can also choose a custom color, or you can choose any of the given colors that you would be able to find right here. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically change a text color. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.